Hi, just a really quick video. This is how I make some really gourmet, high-end tomato paste that can be added to your curries at the beginning. And one advantage of making this in advance is that it simplifies some of the dishes that you're going to cook. Now, a lot of people aren't into base gravy, are they? In the UK, and this is a really good step actually. So you make enough of this, you don't need base gravy, but the secret is to cook it out really well. I'm going to be making a video pretty shortly. Whoa, do you see that? Is my house haunted? I don't believe in ghosts, but that tomato just moved on its own. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the tops off these nice, they're not very, very hot chilies, but nice fiery red large chilies you can get from the supermarket or the Asian store preferably. I'm just going to cut the tops off. I'm going to open the tomatoes. I'm going to use about a third of this double concentrated tomato puree. These three nice, pretty ripe tomatoes, they're not the best. It's better to have them really red and starting to wilt, but this is the best I could get today. And I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala. I'm going to whiz all that up. We'll come back in a minute. So what I did, personally, I blended everything minus the plum tomatoes, the tin, all at once because my blender doesn't hold that capacity. So 2 batches, blended up everything really smooth. So now we have a really, really nice thick tomato paste that's a lot better than just adding tomato puree to your curry. Now, I'd probably recommend about half a cup of that into your curries, whether you use base gravy or not. So if I'm using base gravy with this, I'd probably add a little bit less, and if I wanted to cook something down without base gravy, I'd probably use a little bit more. So that's just a quick short video. I just think it's a welcome break to some of the conventional methods available. That's what my channel's about. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that short video. Stay tuned for a recipe using this shortly and you'll see how it cooks down in the oil, and it's really important to cook it down nicely. Okay,